What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maja_KE. Guys, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, and give a like the video, guys. Thank you so much for the people who are supporting me. 10,000 people, guys. Kudos. So guys, if you don't know me, if it's your first time here, this is Maja_KE, guys. So we are moving out, guys. This is my attire for today. Yes, yeah, so we are moving out, guys, and today we want to see how to keep chicken. You know, when we started keeping chicken here, me and Nasto, we didn't know a lot of things, and even more things about chicken. And I think today we will learn more about keeping chicken, yeah, and getting the market of the chicken. So maybe next time we will start the project, it will be more favorable for us, and yeah, everything. So guys, this is how we did the chicken house. The reason why we did this, guys, you can remember this, I don't know if it's a wire fence. This one was outside there for the cows, so that the chicken cannot go there to eat the kills. So I decided that now we should work with the chicken from here. So the reason why we put this, or rather we wanted to like do this whatever, is because when the chicken come out from that place, they just be inside here, not going out. That is because when they come out here, they eat a lot of kales, and yeah, so that's why we are trying to modify this place, so that when we bring even more chicken, we will be able to maintain them inside here. Yeah, so I know it's not well done here, but this is just a start. We start with small chicks and whatever, then when we continue and growing, we will do even more. So guys, we are moving out. This is village grandpa's residence. Yeah, we are moving out, guys, so that we can learn more out here. It's kinda of chilly morning. Yeah, the weather is not that favorable. It's a bit cold, but you know, you never know around the day. Come, Maria. Yeah, Maria, she's there. She's trying to say hi to you guys. Say hello.
Hello, guys.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
Maja_KE. Instagram.
Hey, and your teeth. Better than yeah, she just the teeth has just moved. So bye. End of voice sweater. Yeah, I'm telling her to go and put on a jacket at least. You know, it's not the weather is not that favorable. Yeah, so guys, we're moving out, and you know, also we have the circumcision. This is the circumcision town here in our village, guys. You can hear the noise. People are celebrating. I don't know if you can see Pope. And also, this is how we trim our fence, just locally. This is how we do it, guys. See how it is right now. We are just doing it right now, guys. Yeah, that is how our village is. You can see this, they are very fresh. So maybe I can come and do away with this, which are down here. Yeah, so guys, let's move fast and see if Pope is around, so that we can move, guys. Yeah, African village. Yeah, so guys, you're here. I met Pope, but also he was kind of busy, but he's coming, so that you can learn together how to keep the chicken, guys. See how they have planted there. This used to be our main cash crop here in the village, guys. Yeah, this is tobacco. So this used to be our main cash crop, but now we also have the main one, guys, which is maize. Yeah, this place is so nice. and so adventurers. I don't know that if is the correct way. Adventurers. We have grass for the cow near the road. Yeah, so nice. But I think due to the heavy rain right now, we have erosion of water. I don't know if it affects the tobacco over there. Yeah, I don't know, guys, but you know, we will get to know. We are here in the village. You know, the village Buga is always here to show you the village. Yeah, and we have a lot of maize plantation here. Yeah, a lot of them, guys, over here. So we are moving, guys. We are moving to learn about the chicken. We want to start our project, guys, and I hope you will be there to support us with your comments and also tell us how you do it whenever you're watching from. So guys, just keep on watching as I get to know how we should keep the chicken, because I really want to come back to the chicken project and we do more. So I really want the comments and the likes and advices, so that I can know what to change or what to, you know, you can't change if you are not told or advised to do like something that you want to do. We have to be having people who will tell you, bro, you're doing this wrong, you know, so that you can change. Guys, this is the first place in Nyabohansi where we did the meet and greet. This is where we did it. Maja Nasto, this is where we did it, guys. Yeah, and I don't know if we can do it here again, so that we can get back at peace. But anyway, guys, you can see how the maize are growing so big. Yeah, hey, green, everything is green, guys. So we are moving this way, you know. Yeah, the houses are very good over there. We can see a house over there, guys. Very nice house. The maize. Yeah, so guys, this is Maja_KE. We are moving. So everything is fenced. Oh, mangoes are there. Yaje. Yeah, so let's move, guys. Now you have to say hi to people here in the village. You know, this is not near my home, so I have to be very careful when filming. You know, some people, guys, they don't like being filmed or recorded. Yeah, so this way is a government way, which leads to also, it can lead to Ayamaro's residence or a villa or a Nasto's place, Mayugno, and everyone. Sintake. Yeah, this way. And this is where we came from, guys. The main road is over there. I don't know if you can see it over there, guys. So we are still moving, and we also have here beautiful wall fence. Maybe sometime I can, what I want to do with the wall fence of my home, maybe this is a good idea of it, because you can see up there they also have, so you can't go in. Don't want to, you know, they can say intruder. Wow. We have also this. Wow. We used to have this, but I don't know where they went. Yeah, so we don't want to film anyone. We have a lot of maize. Mambo. Yeah, so we have a lot of maize. People have planted maize. I really like the wall fence over there, perimeter wall. So I've been walking, guys. Yeah, just moving. Even this small space, they have maize. Wow. Hey, everyone is planting maize here. Ugali is our staple food. Kales. This is the village, guys. So we are still moving. So this road, as I told you, leads to, I think I had a video of this place which they were making the road, removing the rocks so that the road can be straight here. So this road leads to, as I told you, Ayamara, Nasto, Mayugno. Yeah. So we're still moving so that I can show you where we are going to learn about the chicken farming. Chicken farming. I don't know if that is the right. Yes. We have really walked, guys. Huh? Have a lot of stones in this place. Have to be very careful because you don't know people if need cameras. Football. Bari zai mko poa? Nacheza mpira. Sawa. Yeah, so guys, we have small kids. They have closed school right now, playing football. I don't know why I keep on getting like people playing football. I really believe it's because I was one of them, but it's a blessing, guys. Yeah, it's a blessing. Yeah, see, maize all round. Ay, this one is so big. Yeah, Nasto's place is over there. I can even see Nasto's car parked over there. Yeah, but it's very far, guys, you can see. Yeah, it's just near here. So when I go back, I will show you. I will be passing through this road, then to Nasto's place. Yeah, then we go back home. Yeah. So I've been going around. This is Nyabohanse village. So I've come from home, walking, then to this place. Then I will be going through this road, going back home, guys, so that I show you how the village is. Yeah, guys, this is also tobacco. We call it tobacco. I don't know how you call it in wherever you're watching from. Yeah, this is also tobacco, called tobacco. So guys, kindly tell me what it's called in wherever you're watching from, because maybe you never know. I will be visiting where you're watching me from. Yeah, we have walked, guys. We have walked from home to this place. Not that far, but I can say it's far, but not that far. Yeah, near to the border and near Nyabohanse. So you can tell it's far, guys. Wow. I really love this nature over here. Yes. I don't know if that cow is eating from the maize or yeah, a calf. Small calf. So we're moving, guys, and this place has a lot of stones. So when they were making this road, it was very hard for them because they had we have a lot of stones in this area. So this is where I'm passing, guys. The trees, you know, these are not natural, they are planted, and this is someone's plot. So yeah, so these trees, I think they are meant for sale. So you buy one tree, maybe you make a timber, or you build a house, semi-permanent. We call it semi-permanent house here in the village. Yeah, this is the village, guys. Deep in the villages again. Yeah, and we have here I know you have been seeing me here. So we have here a very beautiful homestead, or rather a residence here, a very beautiful one. So here's where we're going. We're going to learn, guys. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to educate other people about chicken farming in Africa? Yeah, Bohanse. Are you ready, guys? So we are going to go in and see if, yeah, yes, nice flowers over here. Yeah. So guys, don't worry, this is like my home, so I don't knock. I just come in and yeah, this is how the place looks like. The solars, they don't, by the way, they don't use electricity, it's only solars. Guys, we are here, and as I told you, this is like my home. Yeah, home, happy ever after. Yes, this is how it looks like. Beautiful home. Yeah, what do you think about this home? And my brother is here first before we continue. How are you, bro?
What's up, people? You guys are good?
Mm-hmm.
You guys are good? I'm waiting to hear from them. No one is speaking.
Yes.
So they need to go into your comments, say what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome. Everybody, welcome. This is home. You just showed up, so you guys are also welcome. It's like you guys have come in also.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can show them around, then we can take it from there.
Yes, of course, guys. So you can hear from my big brother here, a bigger cousin, and also not even a cousin, a friend to me, and a very good friend to me. You know, if you have a brother, you have to be friends with him so that, yeah, everything goes well. So guys, see this unique, I don't want, am I like can I move around? Not
Yeah, just move around,
yeah. So guys, see these chairs, so amazing. Yeah, I really think I've never showed you these chairs whenever I'm coming here. They are very amazing. Wow. Yeah, and a lot of pillows. Yeah, this is how the place looks like, guys. And the windows, big windows. I think we have some light from there. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Top notch. Yeah. Guys, see from here. Wow. So nice. So nice. So nice. The dining especially. Guys, you know ours is very old. Very old. So I think we should have something like this. How many seaters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-seater dining table. We have another chair over there. Wow, so nice. This is the dining place, and a lot of books here. A lot of them. A lot of books, guys. Wow, I really like things like this. A mirror here. Wow. Wow. Drum sets. Hey, drum sets. Yeah, and we have a keyboard here. I don't know if it's working. And you learn from this book. Imagine Liutuno. Yeah, it's working, guys. Wow, wow, it's working. Yeah, I really love this place, or rather this homestead. Very nice chairs and everything. And you know, here is very cool, guys. I've been working all through, and yeah, we are finally here, and we are here to learn about chicken farming. Yeah, I'm taking you to another place now, to my big sister. The last video, I think you saw it. It was a a very good conversation, I think, and I believe. So we're here. Oh, see this place, guys. So nice, so nice. Wow, wow. This is how it looks like. Huh? What do you think about that, guys? You know, also when you visit a place, you have to maybe get an idea of building your own house, guys. So we are here to also explore and know how to make a good house like this. A good house like this, guys. So nice. Woo. Bro, this is my big bro. Huh?
Yeah, people.
Yeah, a designer, guys. We have a story with him, and it's a docu series. Yeah, so we are still doing it and planning for it to be very better. And we have a young bro. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we are finally here. So we want to learn about farming of chicken and also the other things, but unfortunately, yeah, you see, this is what I was trying to do. We have some dogs there. This is what I was trying to do, like to make the chicks be in, but this is not the chicken. Huh? Geese. This is for geese. So guys, this is what we're trying to learn, but unfortunately we didn't get our sister here, but we have our big brother, of course. He will be also showing us. So bro, this is
Okay.
the first. Yeah.
This first one, we keep the ducks.
Mm-hmm.
So we have a few ducks right now. Normally there's quite a bunch,
Mm-hmm.
but because of the sun, they like to sit inside.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see there's a few of them in there.
Mm-hmm.
And then obviously we normally let them at a certain time. We open this, so we let them. They can walk around. Also the geese.
Mm-hmm.
You see that thing there? That's like a small water pool for them.
Yeah.
Because ducks, they just love water, including geese also. They love water. So we fill water for them there, so they can feel like they're swimming or whatever ducks do.
Yeah. So these ones are different from these ones.
Yeah, these ones are different. These are ducks.
These are ducks.
Yeah.
Yeah. So over there
These
we
are
have
geese.
ducks. Yeah.
Now we can go inside, but these
They are
geese
very tough.
are very tough.
Yeah. Let's go inside, guys. But they are very tough.
Yeah. They can attack.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So
Eh.
they come and start filming.
Yeah. Yeah, they are here.
So no one wants to attack.
Yeah. This one
No,
wants
you
to
can just
attack.
it won't come out.
Yeah. Yeah, these are the geese. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. So guys, what do you think? Do we have to keep the geese? You can tell us down the comment section if we can keep the geese. And these are the ducks here. Yeah, they're here.
Yeah, and the
Yeah,
reason
yeah.
we keep them separate is because the male duck, the one walking in white, if you can film,
Yeah.
is always very aggressive. It beats up these ones, even though it looks like it's
Oh.
smaller.
So that can beat these ones.
Oh yeah, it totally beats these ones up.
Wow. Wow,
I mean,
guys.
like, it will peck, it will remove their feathers or whatever it is.
Wow. Hey, that's a new thing to me.
But these ones are very territorial.
Mm-hmm.
You can just try and reach here and see what happens.
Hey,
You see,
see.
they'll attack you.
Yeah, it's coming to attack the guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You don't have, no, don't close it.
Oh,
They'll come out
okay.
themselves.
yeah. So guys, see how this place is made. Yes, so this is what we want to do at home also,
Then
but
We keep goats,
uh-huh.
but they've been removed now. They're out somewhere. They're in the pasture.
Grazing, yeah?
They're grazing, yeah. But the goats, they stay here.
Yeah, you see this. Yeah, so guys, we are still moving. Yeah, so also here.
Yeah, we're going inside.
So guys, we are here to benchmark how we can do like farming of goats, chicken. Yeah, especially chicken.
These are 3 big rooms.
Yeah.
This one is also used. We use it for chickens. Use it for chickens. Right now, there are no chickens. I mean, once they reach a certain age, then we put them here.
Oh yeah.
And then we also put them here. As you can see, you have this water. This is actually not water. This is it's like a disinfectant.
Yeah. Oh, treated.
Treated, yeah. So
Yeah.
the workers, you know, they wear those. We call them gumboots. What are they called? Wellingtons.
Yeah.
Those rubber boots.
Yes.
So they'll step in there to kill any germs before they go inside there.
Oh,
Same thing for
okay.
here.
Okay.
Obviously, we have the banana trees, which actually serve 3 purposes. One, obviously, they bring the bananas, which of course we eat.
Yeah.
2, they provide a nice shaded area for the chickens,
Yeah.
particularly when they're small, the chicks. It gets a time they don't like too much heat. And 3, they actually offer protection from hawks.
Oh yeah,
eagles,
yeah,
yeah.
true.
So they cannot see properly. You know, they normally come down and swoop
Yeah.
and grab a chick
And-
and fly away. But now, because of these, they don't.
They
So we
don't,
don't
yeah.
have to. We don't worry
Wow.
about hawks here. There's never been even one time a hawk has taken anything from here, unless now when they're now outside in the mainland there.
Yeah.
Which of course with the chickens we don't let them go there. So the
Oh.
hawks will normally grab like rabbits and things like that.
Guys, good ideas that we got here. So you see, this protect from the hawks. That is a very
Any
good
bird
idea.
that wants to grab the chicks.
Yeah, grab the chicks. And we also have this. Hey, this was a very big tree, yeah?
Oh man, this was a huge, humongous tree. This tree was
Yeah.
is even much older than me. It's much older than most people here. What happened is the reason it's like this and it's burnt. It had bees.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Now I'll tell you a story about the bees.
Yeah.
So there was a lot of bees here on this tree when it was huge, but they built the hive on the inside. And many times they tried to get them out, but they wouldn't. And then they used to attack the cows. So the day finally we're like, you know, enough, we have to destroy this. So the tree was cut down. I mean, it was burnt and then cut down. But it was, but it's burnt doesn't mean that it's not going to grow. It's still going to eventually start growing because the roots are still there.
Yeah.
But these bees, the ones that left here, they flew as a swarm all the way to the church and found the
So
church.
that means there were so many.
Oh, God, this thing was, they'd lived here for years and years and years. It was huge. They went and attacked those cows at the church, the dairy cows. Killed 2 of them. These bees that came from here. That's how
Nice.
dangerous they were, because these were those wild bees, you know.
Yeah.
African bees don't play.
Hey, guys, stories from Africa.
Over here, I mean, this we use it as a store, but it's technically supposed to be also for some other chickens. But we use it as a store.
Oh,
Here is also another chicken house, but this one is more for the kienyeji.
kienyeji. So we have kienyeji and
So most of them have been taken outside, but you can see there's a few here. And there's also some geese. Are those geese or ducks? I don't even know. Those
Ducks.
Those are. I think those are ducks. Yes.
yeah. Wow.
Yeah. So they're there, but most of them have been. They're already outside. They're already outside. These ones are laying eggs. These ones are sleeping on the eggs. That's why.
Oh yeah.
The eggs are down here.
Wow.
But I don't know if I think they've removed them and put them in the incubator. But they normally.
Yeah, I see one here
Yeah.
laying.
So what happens is once they lay the eggs, we take them, then we go put them at the incubator. So so what it means, it makes these chickens continue laying more and more eggs, because you remove the eggs from them. We put them in the incubator, then again they'll start laying eggs again. And remember, these are what we call kienyeji. This is a local breed. It's not the layers that can lay eggs without, having a cock around them. This one's, that's why you see a rooster. There's one rooster that's now we wanted to mate with those three female ones. The rest are outside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I hope you can understand what we are trying to learn here. Yeah, so we are learning, and then yes, so we are going to the next, which is very important for me, and we want to learn about that, guys, so that we can do more. Yes, I really like the way it's fenced here. Yeah, see how it's fenced. Yeah, so the chicken, when they come out of the house, they don't come.
First chicks, then once they get to a certain age, like 2 weeks, about 2 weeks old or 3 weeks old, then we move them to here. Then we put some other chicks. Then when those ones get to about a month, around a month or 6 weeks, we move them to the next one.
Oh,
so that's how we do it.
Wow, guys, so that means we really have to get a lot of like houses or whatever for the chicks.
These are
Wow,
the chicks.
finally. Yes. This is how they look like.
Hello, chicks.
Wow. The jig over there, I can feel the heat.
Keep them warm.
Yeah. So these are how old are these chicks?
These are about a week.
A week.
Yes.
Imagine a week.
These are 1 week old.
Mm-hmm.
So they're waiting once they get to about 2 weeks, about 2 weeks or 2 or 3 weeks. Then we take them and put them in the next house.
Yeah.
And then the new chicks are going to come here. Because the reason they're in this small room is because this small room stays very warm. You can already feel like you're sweating.
Yeah. Even right now, guys, I'm sweating. Yeah, I'm sweating. The light. Yeah. Yes. So this is now where they come from. The chicks, the big chicks.
Say hello. Say hello.
Yeah. Wow. So nice, guys. So this is a very big project, and I think we didn't have a very good idea of doing the chicken farm, but the reason why I came here is to learn how to do it even better. And you can see, guys, these are almost how many are they?
These are not very many. These are just 500.
Yeah, just 500, not just
Normally
500.
Normally we have up to like 4,000,
Wow.
5,000.
Wow.
Yeah. But these ones are getting ready. In about a week to 2 weeks they'll be out. Because there's another batch, there's another 500 or I think 700 that is coming. And after those 700 there's another 1,000 that is coming.
Yeah.
So it's just a process. It's a process, and there's a good market for them. That's why you can see those houses are empty, most of them, because all the chickens have already been bought.
Wow. So guys, there's a big market of these chicks. So also that is what we have learned, that we didn't have a market to maybe sell the chicks. Yeah, for real we didn't have a market, but now we know, and we are learning from our big brother and our big sister. Oh,
This is the one that doesn't have hair on the neck.
oh,
It's also a different breed.
Yeah.
Say hello.
hello. Yeah, so this is how it is. So you can see also they have different kind of food.
Food, there's
Food or
water. Also the water with some medicine.
Yeah. Medicine. This one.
Yeah. You can see it's a different color. It's just water and there's some medicine that goes to that.
Okay.
I think some sort of like vaccination.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow,
And
guys.
the water is changed throughout the day, and also the food. But remember, they only are supposed to eat a certain amount of food per day. You can put as much food as you want, but we regulate the amount they eat so that they're all satisfied, so that they can grow properly.
Okay, so guys, I hope you have learned something from there, guys. Yeah, so there's a stone there. Yes. Yeah, so guys, we are just learning from this, and guys, this video is a learning process of farming of chicken. So see how they have done this, and this is what we have done at home, guys, but we will do even more, but this is bigger, you can see from there. And also another thing that I have learned is like the bananas keep away the eagles from taking the small chicks. So this is how we have learned today, guys. So we are moving. Yeah. Oh, this went out. So let's try and take them in. Yes.
Inside. It's another.
Oh, okay. So we are moving, guys. Yeah, this is my sisters, big sisters. Yeah, you see the eagle is over there, guys. So it's trying to, yeah, it's over there. Yes, it's trying to see what it can take from here. So let's push it away, guys. Yeah.
They don't eat chicks. This one's a safe.
Oh, okay.
They just come here to eat like whatever food. Oh, did you show
Left
them,
over.
say hi to the puppies?
Oh no. Maybe you can go there and say hi to the doggies, guys. I really love this place, this compound. It's very nice. Yeah. Hey. I fear doggies. I fear. Yeah. They are here, guys. Hey.
This one, his name is Trump.
Yeah, I remember the last time.
And this one is called Kamala.
Kamala.
Yeah, so obviously Kamala has lost to Trump
Hey.
in the US election.
Oh.
So we're really happy. Yeah.
You wanted Trump to go in?
We're Trump supporters here.
Yeah.
Okay, me, I am. I don't know about them.
Yes.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I don't support anybody.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's Trump, that's Kamala. Right now,
Trump. Hey. Kamala. Kamala. Hey, Kamala is very soft, but Trump. Hey. Trump is very hard. Very tough, not hard. Yeah, very tough, yes.
and it's still a puppy.
Yeah.
I think it's only like 4 months old. 4 or 5 months. 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah, 4 months old.
Oh. Yeah, so guys, this is it about our lesson today. I'm really happy that my brother here helped me to know about the chicks and everything, guys. So we are still moving, guys. Enjoy the video till the end. Tell a friend to tell another friend that we really appreciate. So thank you so much. Yeah, guys, you know, today I'm walking, and yeah, so this is where I'm resting right now. I'm right from that end. Now I'm going to Nyabohanse, guys. We are near. We are just walking, guys. So I really thought of wrapping this video here, but what do you think about the chicken farm? So guys, it's so sunny. In the morning it was like chilly, about to rain, not raining, but now we're here. I'm just chilling here, relaxing, because I've really walked today, guys. I've really walked. So I'm just chilling a little bit, then we are going back home, guys. Oh, what do you think about our village? This is our typical village. Yeah, this is how It looks so almost home. Not even almost, we are still going to work, guys. So I thought of wrapping this video here, but I'm not wrapping it. I want you to see how we are walking back home. Guys, we are here halfway. So guys, let's move. I was just relaxing here. Yeah, yes, that is the place that I was relaxing, the beautiful stones. So we are walking, guys, back home, but anyway, guys, I've really learned a lot of chicken farming. Yeah, and I'm really happy to know about that, because I really want to do the chicken farming again. And I really believe right now I have that knowledge, and my sister will help me. Like have the markets. Yes, so this is the road to Nyabohanse. We are halfway, and that is the way back to the border. Yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. This is Maja _K. The breeze there was very good, very nice. I've relaxed for some time. Yeah, because walking that place so far. So as I told you, I wanted to go the other way, but now I saw it's very long. It's very long, so I decided to use the main road. Guys, but we are moving. Yeah, even the main road has beautiful stones. I really love the nature here. Oh, I see something here which is so interesting, but can't intrude over there. Let's try, guys. You can try. Yeah, a tree has grown on the stone. Yeah, see this, guys, amazing. Yeah, so see this tree, it's growing on the stone, and wow, this land is so big, guys, and we have stones here. Good view. Hey, imagine, guys, if you have a good house over here, like, and you have these stones over here, and you have electricity, everything is here, guys. The cows are they are grazing. I wish I could go there. We have a river over there, I think. Yeah, so we are heading back home, guys, Yes. Wow. So guys, I really think I have to wrap this video here. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you abundantly. Thank you so much for supporting me, especially your comments really encourage me to do even more. You'll get more of me, you'll get more of good content, positive vibes, guys. Yeah, this is our village. Until our next video, guys. Yeah, see how this village is beautiful. Wow, I really like this person because it's near the road. Yeah, so I was saying, until our next video, guys, God bless you. Peace, love, positive vibes all the way. Mr. Buga, I hope you have learned something, and which you will copy from my video, and get to know more about chicken farming. I have to be very careful. Yeah, see these beautiful trees. Wow. So guys, until our next video, peace and love, positive vibes.